Today, we will talk about how to buy a mobile home. Let's have a look at the details. Purchasing a home is a major investment. A mobile home is a great option when you're on a budget and in the market for a new home. Consider how much you can spend and what you want to get out of your home before deciding what to buy. The first step is researching types of mobile homes. Decide how much space you need. Mobile homes come in different sizes with different amounts of bedrooms. Mobile homes typically come in 3 different sizes: single wide, double wide, and triple wide. Look for new and used mobile homes. Buying a used mobile home can be much more affordable, but you have to do your research in inspecting the home to make sure you are getting a quality home. Keep it local. Look for companies that sell mobile homes locally. This will reduce the shipping cost and distance traveled to your home. Compare prices. Make sure you do your homework by researching different companies. You can find the same types of homes for different prices if you look around. Check for sales and specials being offered so you end up with the best deal. The second step is budgeting for your mobile home. Check your finances to see how much a down payment you can afford. A down payment is the money you pay for the home before applying for a loan. Decide what you can afford. Decide what monthly payments you can afford, and then use a loan calculator to find out how much you can finance. Research financial institutions. Many different institutions offer loans to buy a mobile home, but they all will have different terms, so make sure you do your research before committing. Consider rent-to-own loans. Some financial institutions will have the option of rent-to-own loans. These loans let you pay a higher rent payment that lets you end up owning the home. In a rent-to-own home, the buyer gets to move into the house before purchasing it. The buyer pays the seller monthly rent money while securing the money to purchase the home when the rent period is up. The third step is finding land for your mobile home. Look up the local zoning ordinances. Make sure that the property where you want to place your home is zoned for mobile structures. Consider the size of the lot you want. Determine what you want to use the property for to know how much land you need. Evaluate the slope of the lot. Make sure that there is enough flat ground to place your mobile home on your lot. If the lot is not leveled, you expect to pay more in installation fees to excavate the lot and provide the proper grading to install a mobile home. The fourth step is buying your mobile home. Select a manufacturer for your mobile home. Look for home builders that are located close to where you are purchasing the property. Choose a floor plan. Mobile and manufactured homes come with many different floor plans. Pick a plan that suits your lifestyle. Choose the finish level for your home. Different levels of fixtures and appliances can be chosen for a mobile home. When choosing your finish level, consider your budget and what items you need to include. Purchase a home warranty. Select a manufacturer that offers warranties on the interior, exterior, and appliances. A warranty can protect you in case of defective craftsmanship or extreme situations. And the fifth step is installing the home. Apply for the necessary permits to install your home. File paperwork with the county to obtain building permits for your home. Be prepared to pay the necessary fees for your permits. Prepare the foundation for your mobile home. Hire a contractor to prepare the lot for the installation of the mobile home. Depending on the slope of your property, excavation may be required. Arrange a date for delivery. Contact the manufacturer of the home to learn how much advance notice they need in order to deliver your home. Connect your utilities. Contact the utility companies in the area your home is being installed. Arrange a date to have the utilities connected after your home is delivered. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.